Hello and welcome to another Multi-Makes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in searches. And here we go. Okay, so let's create the hole in the hood for the engine. So highlight our hood, 7 on the number pad. As I've been looking around for images, I've found this website, madmaxcar.com. Some pretty decent images here. This guy's been building his own car. Some nice images for the engine. Right, so in there is actually some decent shots of the hood. Let's find pure if there we go. There we go. So we'll need to lower this slightly by the looks of it, and then cut this hole in. We'll have to create them at some point also. Yes, right, so first things first, hide the lights. Ignore the ambulance going past. What I think what you need to do actually is just check where these are located, see if these are in the correct place. So we can highlight this image again. If we just rotate, Shift D to duplicate it, and we'll rotate X minus 90. Here we go. 7 for top view. Now if we just line that up with there, like that. 3, just move it down to the ground. Like a 7. I'll do a G and X this time since we can't see where the cursor is. Why is that done? Oh, it's on normal, that's why. Right, GX. Looks like you might need to move forward a little bit. Backwards even. This shows you how crazy these blueprints can be. Different size again. Anyway, it doesn't matter. All we have to do is this bit here. Although, if that's the hood line there, we best line that up with that, hadn't we? Right, try again, just to save all them, so we can't select them by accident. That's not bad there actually, is it? Again, we expect it to be off just a little bit because of the blueprints. Right then, let's see. Oh yes, we need to create this bit first. So if we highlight these, oops, actually if we highlight all of them, do a GG, E, slide that back, that'll give us the top part of it, and then we'll do another one, Control R, slide that in, Right, now looking at this though, it doesn't go straight down, it like kind of comes down at a slight angle, and it doesn't go any further back than that really. Actually, that's I will not check that just in case. Well, that ends there, doesn't it, because it disappears. In fact, that seems to blend in there as well. So if we just pull these down, that's in front of what will be the hole there. And if I do a scale to active element, and do that one, remove that one, scale Z, I've got a feeling these need to go down a little bit as well, scale Z, there we go. Right, with that line selected, we'll put a crease out there of one. We'll also do that one. There we go, that's created that slight indent there. Again, this is going to be cut out shortly, so if need be, you can just do a Shift D, right click, and then move that to your backups, just in case you want to go back to it. Because now we're going to apply the mirror, into tab. Right, now I just need to move some of these edges around. GG, oops. GG, try again. What is it doing? I know why. Because that one was shown in the backups. We don't want that one. Right, so let's see. So that's 7. Well, that looked a bit off. Right, so GG with that. Say that over. Possibly get away with these. Just slide them up there. That one down there. I notice I've applied the mirror on that one. Doesn't matter, it's easy enough to cut apart. And then if I do this one, GG, slide that just over a little bit. And then GG, just up a little bit. Well, that creates the hole there now. So apply the mirror this time, and the correct one. And we will need another one in there by looks. Okay, so now if we just select these in here, and there once, and now we do a X1, we'll just highlight all of these, put an increase on there, 1. We can hide these for now. Alright, and quickly do this, do a extrude Z, pull that down just a little bit, X-ray mode, highlight all these corners, and put an increase on, and there we go, that tightens that up nicely, and put an auto smooth on there as well. There we go, in preparation for the engine. Do we need the lights on now? Just leave them off. So there we go. Catch you in the next one.